Hello friends, subscribers and new viewers of this channel. In this tutorial we explain how to record a screen and a microphone in Linux Ubuntu and Raspberry Pi by using Kazam. Here are some important notes. First of all, I'm using Raspberry Pi 5. If you're using an older version of Raspberry Pi, you will notice that Kazam or a similar software for recording the video and the microphone might clog your system. That is, they might slow down the processor. Also, this video is recorded by using Kazam. Now, everything explained in this video tutorial applies to any versions of Linux Ubuntu. In my case, I'm using Linux Ubuntu 24.04. For those of you who are not familiar with Kazam, Kazam is completely free and open source software for recording screen and sound from a microphone. Now, similarly to other Linux Ubuntu programs, Kazam can be installed by executing this command. However, in addition to this command, we also have to do several other things. So let's start. First of all, let's open a terminal. Then, over here, I'm going to resize this terminal such that you see what I'm typing, and also you can see this manual. Before executing this command, we first need to do this sudo apt get update. You should always run this command whenever you want to install something, and here you need to be patient. And after this command, you need to run this sudo apt get upgrade. And here again, you need to be patient, press Y, and let's wait. This will actually update and upgrade our system and all the package lists, so we can install new packages. Good. To install Kazam, you need to type this sudo apt install Kazam. And this should install Kazam. In my case, Kazam is already installed since I'm recording this video tutorial. However, in your case, you will see the installation progress. And this should install Kazam. Now, you can open Kazam by clicking here and searching for Kazam. And here it is. I'm already running Kazam, however, I can still show you a few things. However, I cannot record another video. To set up Kazam properly, you need to select this option, that is to record the mouse cursor, then you need to select the other option, sound from microphone. Now over here you can adjust seconds to wait before capturing. Usually I select 3. The next important setting that you need to adjust is obtained by clicking on File and by clicking on Preferences. And over here you need to choose the microphone, that is, you need to choose the microphone that you're going to use to record a video. You need to attach a USB microphone to your Raspberry Pi, of course, and this is assumed already. So make sure that the USB microphone is selected, and the next thing that you need to adjust is screencast. If you click here, you can adjust the frame rate and you can adjust what are you going to use to record. Here you have MP4, you have AVI and other standard formats. Here you can adjust the folder where you save, etc. Here you can adjust other things for recording, for example, a screen or just taking one screenshot, and that's it. Basically, these are all things that you need to adjust, and then after that you just need to click here on capture and the countdown process will start. It will count 3, 2, 1 and recording will start. At the same time, here in the top corner you will see this recording icon, and currently it's red. This means that the video is being recorded. Now if I click here, I can simply pause or finish recording. I'm going to finish the recording right now. The first time I opened Kazam and recorded my first video, and after I saved the video, I noticed that the video is completely black and I could only hear my voice. And I was Googling, searching, trying to figure out what's the problem, and I found the solution. It looks like the solution comes from the protocol that's used to display videos and screen and graphics on your screen. Namely, there are two widely used protocols. One is X11 and another one is Wayland. We need to disable Wayland and we need to switch to X11. So let's learn how to do that. To do that, we need to actually edit this file over here. Now, if you scroll all the way down, originally you will see that you'll see something like this. However, it should look like this. That is, you need to uncomment this line. This will disable Wayland and it will switch automatically to X11 or Xorg. Okay, so make sure you save this by pressing Ctrl S or by pressing Ctrl O and pressing Enter, and now you can exit by pressing Ctrl X. However, before you can actually test this, you need to restart your system. There are several ways to restart the system. You can basically click over here, then you can simply click here and then you can restart your system, or you can simply type here sudo reboot. After you do that, that is after you reboot your system, you can start recording, and once you open Kazam and you record your video, you will be able to record the actual video and the video is not going to be black. Now, it's always a good idea to verify that the changes actually happened. To do that, you actually need to execute this command. This command will print out the default protocol for showing the graphics, and you can see that's X11. Originally, if you type this command without making changes, it's going to be written Wayland. Okay, that's all for today and thanks for watching.